Alright guys, so in this video we'll be dealing with file handling in PHP script. So first let me create here a file by the name of tut, so not this one, this should be tut14 underscore file.php. So we will be working with the file and especially read file. Now what does a read file means? It means that when we want to read a file and to write to the output buffer, then for that we need to use a read file, because read file reads files and writes it to the output buffer. So first let me create the basic syntax of PHP, then we will explore that what does it mean. So what I will do, I will write here read file. Now what is it? And after that parenthesis and here comma. It will read a file. Now in my case, let me create here a text file. So hello.txt, enter, and let me open another file in which I have just image. So this one. Okay. Now this, for now remove just this one, and we have this one already. Okay, my goodness, save. After that open tut14, and after that open hello text. This is already open but image. Okay, so we have this and this file. Within this we have an image, and this is hello.txt. Now within this hello.txt, let me write something. Hello YouTube buddies, if for some reason you have not subscribed this channel, that is coding world, then kindly subscribe it. Okay, now this is some text that I've generated in this text file. Now I want to read this file within this, but before read file, let me just echo, then double quote, then target URL hello.txt. okay, control S. Now we will see that what is that. Let me reload it. So we have this for tut14 file.php open. As you can see here, just printed hello text. So because we have just echo, and echo doesn't work with it, so remove it. So what we will do, we will use a variable. So $my file, this is my variable, and I will give it this hello.txt. Now let's see that it works or not. Control S, and just save this one as well. Control S, and Control S, and go to your browser and reload your browser. And it says syntax error. Let me zoom in. Unexpected token semicolon on line 4. So let's remove it. On line 4 we have unexpected this one. So we have to echo this my file as well. So Control S, go to your browser and reload it. So again hello.txt. Now what does it mean? Whenever you want to read a file and write it to the output buffer, then you have to use this one instead of any variable. You can use variable that we'll be using. So let me comment it out. Okay, and within this read file I will be saying hello.txt, and for now let me remove it as well. So Control S, go to your browser and reload it. As you can see, hello YouTuber, if for some reason you haven't subscribed this channel coding world, then subscribe it. So please subscribe it. So we have successfully writes to the output buffer by using a read file. Now what does a read file mean? A read file mean when we want to read a file and to write it to the output buffer, then we have to use this. Now, but if in place of this hello.txt, if I use the other file such as read file single quote, and we have another this image.jpg. So now I will access this one. So image.jpg. Now what is the difference? So Control S, go to your browser, and it will give you a bunch of stuff. As you can see, this is a bunch of stuff. Because Chrome browser is confused that what is going on with me. It's not interpret the image. It's just try to interpret it, but it can't. That's why it says you can wait for it. Okay, just wait. Because it's interpreted it in binary code, but still it doesn't work. So for that, how to use it, how to find out, and how to access image, we use some other functions. So for now, we will stop this video for here, that we have discussed read file, that what is a read file. In the next video, we'll be discussing file open, file close, file read, file write. So see you there.